So last time I think I made this test stage function, but I made a type for the tile, but I didn't really include it here. So I'm just gonna use the tile. What was the tile? So tile represents this each tile. I mean, it's showing it in green at the moment, but this would be actually transparent at the final project, and the model that you're going to see should look like this. And this is created by this will be created by different software. It's just the representation of each tile where the user can walk at the moment. So it's just it will be you wouldn't see this at the end. But tile should have type. It's either walkable or no. If the tile is unwalkable, then you can't really get in there. Like material, what is it? Is it dirt or grass or stone or wood? Maybe sand or mud. Okay, I think it's or no. Because it is very important in tactics Olga what the material of the floor is, and your condition and everything, like how much you can move, is determined based on the material of the floor tile. So I'm just gonna say dirt, grass, stone, wood, sand, mud. Okay. Then walkable. Okay, so and then this is it. So this stage tile push. Oh, I see. So let tile has the tile type. And push, so position. Okay, so this is the one. Position and then okay, so push tile. So this is how it's supposed to be, right? So position. It says a position, and what was that type? Okay, type walkable. Yes. And what was that? Material dirt. So this is a default of the test stage. Everything is dirt. It's just a bumpy dirt floor, and every tile is walkable. So this is what I was trying to do. It's never assigned. Use const instead. Oh, sure, yes, guys. So this is my bad behavior to use let for everything, but sometimes people like me to use const if it never changes. So this is what my dirt looks like. Okay, let's position a character. So how am I going to do it? So I have this. So a character or an actor is standing either of any of these tiles. So I'm just going to pick a random tile out of stage tiles, and then the number is math round math what's that, round times stage tiles of length. So this is gonna give me a random number. So what's my initial tile? Initial tile is dirt, 14, 2, and 0.5 walkable. Okay, good. So I got the random initial tile. So let's position unit. Let unit. Before initializing unit, let actor his name thermal unit equal actor and position is initial tile position. Okay, so unit is defined, and let units is unit. Okay, so for each units as unit, there will be a entity. I would say entity geometry is box. Okay, position is unit position. Sure. Let's see how it goes. So there should be one box. It's either on top of this tile. I don't know. It's just representation. I'm just gonna use my box name. Box. Okay, so here he is. I think it's overlapping the tile, right? Just gonna. So he's there. Okay, so width equals 0.6 or 0.6. Depth equals 0.2 or 3. Okay. And height is 1.75. That's my height. And position. Okay, so where's my box? Okay, great. So this guy is standing on the tile. Perfect. I like it. So he's there. Initial position. So this is his beginning. So he's facing south at the beginning. I don't care which way he's facing. Right. So what I made was I made an actor and then I made a unit. Just gonna type it unit ts new file actor.ts. So what it did was actor export interface actor name string. That's what it did, right? And unit export interface unit and type is a string, either actor. Oh no. And actor is actor. And is type whatever it is. That's what I did, right? Let's see. Unit actor position. We would have a position. Unit has position. Position is x number, y number, z number. What's that? Unit position x. Position, a known word, right? Okay, so unit is unit type, and actor is actor type. Why is missing? Initial tile position. Oh, okay, so I'm making a mistake. Okay, I see. Unit is missing a type actor. Okay, so I see. Type actor. See, this is the beauty of the TypeScript. If I'm missing something, they let me know. Okay, so units. So this is basically my test setup, but I'm just gonna hard code it here. Okay, so